Hi dear students and welcome to my tutorial. Halloween is near and so I have come up with a canvas art, and here it is, the Halloween canvas art. So let us come forward and see what are the materials required in preparing this canvas art. Materials required are the painting palette, varnish, tissues for cleaning. I am using wet wipes here to clear the mess over here or even to clean the brush, the canvas, easel. This canvas has been prepared by me, so if you don't want to buy one of yours like expensive ones, you can prepare one at the home at a very cheap cost, or also you can try to buy the expensive one if you wish to. Well, this I have used in a DIY form, so that is why it is very cheap to make, and a YouTube video is already available to make how to prepare this canvas also. Moving forward to the paints and the brushes, they have been provided to me by the company called Art Mall. The link is inside the description box. In terms of the paints and the brushes used, I would just like to elaborate here. That is, I have used two types of round brushes, one number 12 and one number 4. 4 for the detailed work and 12 for the background coloring. Besides that, for certain more types of detailed work and inner painting, I have used number 4 and number 8 of flat brushes. So 4 and 8 of flat brushes, whereas 12 and 4 of round brushes. I also used a dotting tool, as I could find the back of this paintbrush much better for dotting, as the stars in here. So you can also try to use the same back of a brushes. Otherwise, you can also get a dotting tool. In terms of the paints, I have used lemon yellow or fluorescent yellow. You can also use normal yellow also. Black, titanium white, crimson red or even cadmium red, fluorescent green, fluorescent orange. Fluorescent orange is a little bit more important than a normal orange also. Besides this, I have also tried to give some metallic look, so I have used some metallic green, metallic white and metallic yellow. This is simple yellow, not lemon or orchid yellow, normal yellow. Then I have also used the painting over here, which is a paint tube, because I wanted some special types of colors such as ultramarine blue and phthalo green. With that, I have also used orchid yellow and a little bit of orange in order to provide some more contrast onto the Halloween paints, because it has different layers of colors. So let us come forward and see how to prepare our step-by-step procedure, the Halloween canvas art.